welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting concept wherein we will understand how to find the count of the specific word from the paragraph. So for an example, you can see here I have mentioned Excel here. In this paragraph, the Excel is available 5 times. Okay, so how we can find this? We will use certain functions here like len length, then substitute. With the help of that, we will find this particular answer. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out the playlist. You will find 400 plus videos. Those will help you in cracking the interviews on agent level, trainers, team leader, quality analyst, Six Sigma certification, WFM analyst, MS Excel report dashboard, Lucas Studio, Scrum Master. Then we have Power BI, Tableau. Many more videos are there, guys, that will help you in cracking the interview. Also check out the videos on the SMEs roles and responsibilities. There are many things, guys, which will definitely help you in cracking the interview. Okay, so let's start today's video, so wherein we will understand how to find the specific word using this particular graph. We will find the specific word. Okay, let's start the formula. So what we have to use, length, length, and we have to use the paragraph. Then paragraph, done. Then comma, again use length function, bracket open, then we have to use substitute. In substitute, we have to choose both the entire paragraph and the cell which we have to identify the value, then comma, then 2 brackets, then we have to close all the brackets. Okay, we have closed all the brackets. Then divide, then again length, and we have to choose F14 again, and bracket close and enter. Yes, we got our answer. Now let me search something else like easily, EASILY, easily. So easily is available 1 time here. You can see here. Let's search XLOOKUP. No, it's CLOOKUP. Okay, so the XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, this particular word is available 1 time. So understood, guys. So this will help you in this way and identify the specific word in the paragraph. Okay, this is very useful formula, guys. If you are working as a content moderator in any other process, you want to identify any profanity or any words which are not allowed on the platform, you can use this particular sheet and you can perform the exercise, right? So this is all about today video. Also check out our Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page. Every day we are posting multiple vacancies with regards to the all the available roles, so don't miss to do that, don't miss to follow that. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.